Hey, Nick was on a Camp and Hike here. Today I'm going to try and get this LabOps Gear accessory mount kit installed on the truck. It's designed to look like a factory setup, so I'll be removing all of this that we see here and getting this installed. Now, LabOps has an amazing install video. It provides you great insight on how to install it. It seems pretty easy. So we're going to see how it does here for me, and hopefully we can get it installed in a pretty decent amount of time. So here we go. We're going to get this opened up here. So we do have the USB accessory piece right here on the inside. Wrapped nice and neat is the panel itself. We've got that right here. Looks so. I'll go ahead and get my components uninstalled here. Okay. So let's keep going here. So in the video it tells me to pop this panel off here. Oh yeah, look, it comes out pretty easy. Right here. And then pop this one out. Oh yeah. And then in here we have some components to take apart. Okay, panel is off. This is what I disconnected from here. I removed this panel piece here, and then I went ahead and removed this little component here as well. So the next thing, it says that we're going to be using a 10mm socket to remove this piece right here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that socket. All right. Using the cup holder to hold my screws. They're coming out. Now, this here for power for the USB. Okay, here we go. We've got those here, and we're going to be using these here. Oh, so I just opened this. I should probably get this together. What do you think? Yeah. Let's get this guy together. Do I want a cover? Nah, I don't think I'm going to put the cover on. So I just lined up the LabOps Gear, nice and easy, with the attached component here to screw it nice and tight. So that is ready. And according to the instructions, we're going to take these here and we're going to splice them. Alright, so we're going to get these here. We're going to go ahead and take these apart. We're going to start with the gray at the bottom to tap into these screws. Looks like I've got enough room to reach in here. And now it'll be a bit hard to see on the angle, but looks like I've got some room here. And then we're just going to get on there to work it down. Get that tight. And then we're going to do the second one. We're going to do the same thing on the second one. So basically we're splicing the negative and positive lines here so we could get power to the USB port. Well, I dropped one of the pieces down in the back, so I'm just going to wire it and have to reorder a new component later. That's all I can do. I'm going to just set this up. I'm going to run this back over here. Move that out of the way. Nope, doesn't seem like it, and I'm not going to make this super complicated. So let's plug this back in. I've already lost one piece. I don't want to lose any more. So next we want to go ahead and pull these off. It's 4 bolts that come out. And 4. All right, and we're going to want to go ahead and pull it up and then down. And we're going to go ahead and I got a sweater here. We're going to put this up here just in case it falls forward. Actually, let's lean it. Let's go ahead and use it to lean it. And we're going to need a small screwdriver to remove this part here. All right. Got my little screwdriver. And these are pretty small, so let's not lose these guys. Lose anything else. All right, and then we're just going to slide this up. And there it is, it's off. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our new component. And I'm going to grab these cables. Should be here for me. I'm going to bring it up and over like this. And I'm going to get the, here we go. Looks like we're going to go red to positive. We're going to go red to positive and black to negative. There we go. That way when I do get the right piece back to wire it, I can go ahead and wire it up nice and easy. And then this just goes in, let's see, my logo piece here. Put it this way and then retighten it. All right, and we're going to slide this in. There's some little wings that should help guide it back. So let's get this in place. That's it. All right, and then we're going to get these screws back in. Again, just be careful not to lose the screws. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and get this put back in place. Going to start with the top part first. Part. There we go. And then I'm going to kind of get it prepped with all 4 screws. And according to the video instructions, we're going to want to push up and kind of get it locked in place now. There we go. And then get the other ones put in. All right. Now my wires to connect the port will be right here. Once I get that replacement piece back in, and then we'll rework it to put it back together. with that said, let's go ahead and get everything back into place. Let's go ahead and we're going to get you back in. Okay. All right, not too tight. And then we're going to grab our other component here and get everybody reconnected. All right. Now what we're going to do is put our components up here to connect everything. Well, I wish I had not lost that piece. I could have power up there right now, but is what it is. So let me go ahead and get the components up here to kind of put things up.